Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can add a star shape or icon or object to your websites on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your website project on Wix, also to the page. And what you want to do, guys, is click into that plus add elements button in the top left. And from that menu below, navigate to decorative here, or decorative. I don't know the right pronunciation here. So select one of these shape styles here, themed lines, basic shapes, arrows. Now you will find a star icon under the basic shapes. Here to the right, select it and position it on your page in a specific section, for example. And you may resize it, rotate it, customize the design and settings, choose the fill color here, for example. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.